Hello, welcome to Martinez tutorial. This video was made based on the request of a client that he actually needs to have a 3D of a certain project which they've done, and he required that they want to introduce certain things on the elevations. So we actually met online, and let me show you the evidence on WhatsApp page. Now, this is what he said that particular day. He said, "Good morning, sir. How is work and family? Please, I want to design the front view." This is the picture he sent to me, and he said he wanted. So I actually gone through it. So immediately I know that this is exactly what he wanted to do. So I have to model it for him. So I move into Revit straight up. So I started it. It's just a front elevation design, nothing like design. I don't know what is entails within, but I wanted to do what the 3D as he has requested. Look at what he said here. Say I need 3D and I want to design this front view with 3D. So I started immediately bringing the plans together. Now the main thing is this edge column. So this actually what I do here was I create a sweep for it. A extrusion for it. So extrusion allow me to model this particular 3D as quick as possible. So when I did everything, I arrived at the front elevation. The elevation looked a little bit tight, and it was well organized and things like that. So immediately I did the first phase of it. I sent it to him to check. So look at it here. This is the phase I sent to him, and he was like, okay, good. So he told me later to send my account number, to which I did, email online, things like that. So is anywhere architects can be, all what you just need to do is to concentrate and continue to work on yourself. So particularly after which we done the whole thing, the 3D were able to be presented, adjusted some things, and we arrived at this particular building, and it was presented to him and everything was sent. So that was how we created this particular building for a client particularly. So the rendering aspect, we render it, we save it somewhere else in the program, but at the same time you can render here and see how far the building looks. It was actually generally associated and will be presented to the main clients in that time. So anywhere you can meet your clients, or you don't need to do, continue doing what you do, how to do best. With this particular project, you may actually dive into it and create it from start to finish. So subscribe to our channel, like, and always comment on everything we do. We're actually not meeting up with your requirement, but try as much as possible. We are going to do more and increase the kind of design that is applicable to your need. So subscribe and visit our channel the more.